China's leap into the skies is not just a flight of fancy, but a bold move to redefine the global aviation landscape. The C919, China's first domestically manufactured large aircraft, is setting the stage for a significant shift in the civil aviation market, challenging long-held monopolies and offering a glimmer of hope for more accessible air travel worldwide. Will the C919's ascent mark the dawn of a new era in aviation, breaking the duopoly of Airbus and Boeing and reshaping the skies? Stick around as we delve into this remarkable journey, exploring the potential impacts and the hurdles that lie ahead in this ambitious endeavor. The aspiration to develop a domestically manufactured large aircraft has long been cherished by the Chinese populace. China aims to transcend the role of mere low-end assembly foundries for domestic manufacturers, akin to the dominance wielded by European and American countries through their technological monopolies. With the emergence of the domestically produced C919 large aircraft onto the scene, the global civil aviation market stands on the brink of transformation. Previously, the commercial airliner landscape was starkly limited, with only two major players, Airbus and Boeing, commanding the skies. Each of these large aircraft commanded a price tag exceeding $100 million USD, coupled with significant maintenance and repair expenses. This made air travel a luxury beyond the reach of many poorer nations and regions. However, with the introduction of the C919, there arises a promising outlook for the future of the civil aviation passenger aircraft market. Since the inaugural flight of the world's first civil aviation passenger aircraft from Florida in 1914, the evolution of such aircraft has spanned over a century. The subsequent birth of Boeing in 1916 marked a significant milestone, propelling it to become one of the foremost aircraft manufacturers globally. Notably, Boeing's influence extends beyond civilian airliners, as it serves as a supplier to NASA and commands a formidable presence in the military sector. Conversely, the emergence of European Airbus in 1970 posed a formidable challenge to Boeing's dominance, igniting intense competition between the two giants. Despite frequent accusations of unfair competition, both entities have long dictated the trajectory of the global civil aviation technology market. Boeing made its foray into China back in 1972, forging robust partnerships with numerous domestic airlines. As China's economy continues its steady ascent, the demand for civil aviation passenger aircraft experiences a corresponding uptick annually. Given the substantial economic stakes involved, Boeing is unlikely to relinquish its foothold easily. However, within China, there exists a keen awareness that the acquisition of a single airplane often comes at the cost of hundreds of millions of garments. This stark reality, coupled with recurring concerns over the quality of Boeing aircraft, has sown seeds of discontent among many. The track record of Boeing aircraft, marred by a litany of accidents spanning decades, further compounds these apprehensions. A recent incident on January 5, 2024, involving an Alaska Airlines Boeing 737 MAX, wherein a cabin door dislodged mid-flight, vividly illustrates the potential hazards. Although the passengers emerged unscathed due to fortuitous circumstances, the harrowing experience left an indelible mark on their psyche. Similarly, just a week later, Japan Airlines encountered another perilous situation when a crack appeared in the cabin's front glass during flight, prompting the captain to swiftly return to the airport in a state of alarm. Such incidents underscore the vulnerability inherent in air travel, irrespective of the aircraft's make or model. Even high-profile figures like U.S. Secretary of State Blinken have not been spared from the specter of malfunctioning aircraft, as evidenced by a recent episode involving an oxygen leak on his plane en route from Switzerland to the United States. Though a crisis was averted through timely intervention, the episode serves as a poignant reminder of the inherent risks associated with air travel. Regardless of one's stature, the inevitability of aircraft breakdowns renders everyone equal in this regard. However, amidst Boeing's ongoing string of accidents, China's domestically manufactured large aircraft are heralding positive developments. In May 2023, China achieved a significant milestone with the completion of its inaugural commercial test flight. Remarkably, within less than a year, China secured over 1,200 orders, showcasing commendable swiftness in order placement. Furthermore, the inaugural performance evaluation of China's large aircraft garnered exceptionally high marks, lauding its aesthetic appeal and passenger comfort. Looking ahead, as the C919 accumulates navigational experience, it is poised to enhance its offerings and elevate passenger comfort standards. This trajectory positions it favorably for market dominance. Notably, even prominent U.S. media outlets like Bloomberg have extolled the allure of China's C919 as a viable alternative to Boeing aircraft. Such endorsements signal a shifting tide in favor of China, potentially unsettling Boeing. However, irrespective of Boeing's perspective on China's C919, it will not impede China's capacity to expand production and capture foreign markets. By 2027, China is projected to secure a 3% share of the global narrow-body passenger aircraft market. China's approach is characterized by gradual methodical progress, eschewing rash endeavors. Decades ago, the notion of China developing its own civil aviation aircraft seemed far-fetched. Yet today, China not only manufactures but also exports these aircraft, a feat worthy of pride. This trajectory underscores China's burgeoning capabilities and portends further achievements in the future. As we chart the trajectory of China's ambitious foray into the civil aviation market with the C919, it's clear that the landscape of global aviation is on the cusp of a significant transformation. The C919's emergence is not merely a testament to China's technological advancements and industrial capabilities, but also signifies a potential shift in the balance of power within the aviation industry. This aircraft represents more than just an alternative to the long-standing Boeing Airbus duopoly. It embodies the aspiration for greater competition, diversity, and accessibility in global air travel. With over 1,000 orders already placed, the C919 is poised to make a substantial impact, offering a beacon of opportunity for nations and regions yearning for more equitable access to civil aviation. As this narrative unfolds, the world watches with keen interest to see how this endeavor will alter the dynamics of international air travel, challenging existing monopolies and fostering a more inclusive and competitive market. The journey of the C919 is far from over. Indeed, it may just be the beginning of a new chapter in the annals of aviation history. What do you think the entry of China's C919 into the global aviation market means for the future of international air travel? Will it enhance competition, lower costs, and make air travel more accessible to a broader audience? Or will it face challenges in breaking the established dominance of Airbus and Boeing? Feel free to share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments section below. Don't forget to become a part of the Revel Discovery community by hitting that subscribe button to stay informed about the latest technological advancements and innovations. Remember, as we delve into the realm of technology, the possibilities are limitless, and the future is filled with exciting discoveries. Keep exploring.